So Alliance Laundry is a little over 100 years old, founded in 1808. We've got a really proud history. We've been in the community obviously for that period of time. Our business is commercial laundry.
Wells is about a 110-year-old company, so we're approaching our 110th year, so it's been around a long time. The company was founded by Robert Wells, and he was actually a personal friend of Henry Ford's going way back when. The first product that he had was an ignition coil, and they put it on the Model T Ford.
You know, our business is very pure play, so we do washers and dryers. That's it. We are the largest in the world. We employ about 1,600 employees here and in our Belgium facility.
Through the war years, they did things like the Norton bomb site they built here. So they changed their product line through the war years and then got back into automotive again, and he evolved with the car and the different technology on the car. Today we're producing 350 different electronics product categories on the car, 40,000 different stock keeping units that we actually supply to the aftermarket and to the OEs throughout the world.
We have a very significant expansion. FCEDC was a big component of that. The investment is a very significant one. Certainly for a company of our size, a little over $23 million.
The last 5 years, we've been quite aggressive at trying to go out and get new business, and that's one of the reasons we are changing locations and adding capacity to our plant over on the other side of Fond du Lac, because we've grown. We're taking that next step.
The expansion is growth capital, so it's adding space and adding machinery and adding people so that we can meet demand for products. We have a great product. Customers recognize it, the markets recognize it. We're in a luxurious position of just not being able to make enough product.
We've got about 138 people here in this facility, and we're going to take all those people and relocate them to our new facility. It's going to be our worldwide headquarters for the company. We're really excited about it. It's a $7.1 million project, 64,000 square feet. We're going to have all our administrative offices there. We're going to put our engineering labs there. We're going to expand our labs, and we're going to put a state-of-the-art facility for doing testing and all kinds of other stuff.
It's a little over 270 jobs that we're creating. And we expect to have the facility up in the May-June timeframe. I believe FCEDC's contribution was about $500,000. Combined with the state government, you know, that was enough to make it an attractive proposition where we could again confidently take the step to invest that amount of capital into our future and into the community.
Part of the support that we're getting from your organization as well as the state and so forth, that's to encourage us to add additional people, and we're going to be doing that, especially in the area of engineering and technical, which is where we're seeing a lot more opportunity as we go forward. We're getting a $500,000 loan with some incentives to help us hire additional people. It's a low interest-bearing loan. It's been extremely helpful in getting us quickly started with the new project.
The Ripon and Fond du Lac area, I think we are very, very fortunate. It's a key part of why we're so effective and so efficient. And you know, we couldn't do it without the workforce. And they have, I think, an extraordinary work ethic. You know, they're highly educated, they are very committed to our company. We have guys that are third and fourth generation working here. They're proud to work here. It's a great environment.
When you look at our history, I think one of the things about Fond du Lac that's great is the people. I mean, they're hardworking, you know, they're honest, they're diligent, they're very flexible, and they're great people. And you know, we've seen that within our own company here. I mean, it's not uncommon to have people working here for 30 and 40 years. On the other hand, our business has changed so much, it's becoming a lot more technical. The jobs that are being created are engineering jobs, and right now there's a lot of demand for those types of positions. That's a challenge for us to attract those type of people into this smaller community. With this new state-of-the-art facility, I think it's going to really help us to attract better talent and to keep them motivated, and it's going to match up with what the kind of place and work environment that they see themselves in. The other thing I think is with our customers, because we're going to be able to bring them in, and they're going to see something that's truly, you know, leading edge, and I think it's going to help us sell a lot more as well.
One of the buildings we just dedicated is to one of our employees who worked here over 60 years. So he's 80 years old. Still comes to work, you know, still puts in a solid day's work. You know, and there's a number of people like him, good people, and you know, for us, it's a competitive advantage. to be here in the Ripon area and in Fond du Lac County.